Today, tiramisu. Join me and let's make this classic pick-me-up. Let's go. 6 eggs. We're gonna clarify them. People, humans, these are pasteurized eggs. Click the link in the description below and see how we did it. So we have our yolks. We're gonna take a cup of sugar, pour over, and start whisking right away. See as it's changing color? We're incorporating more air. Nice ribbons. In another bowl, we're gonna take our wonderful mascarpone, cup of whipping cream, and we're gonna add some Marnier. So we're gonna add about maybe 2-3 ounces. We're gonna bring everything together. So we're gonna be careful not to over whip. Half goes into the egg mixture to start. We're gonna fold it ever so gently. Now you see how I'm going from the outside to the inside? Now we go for the rest, and you have this beautiful, creamy. When you're making coffee, you don't need it to boil. Just before boiling, stop your water. To our French press, try not to make a mess like I'm doing right now. We let it sit. The ideal temperature, in my opinion, is 80 to 90 degrees. Sprinkle some cacao. Now, coffee. Pour it in a shallow bowl and dip your cookies quickly on either side and layer them at the bottom. Quick dip, layer. So we have our base. A little bit more cacao. Bowl. We're just gonna go layer on one beautiful. Now, a tiramisu is not liquid, but it's not solid. It's in between. So now we're gonna set our second layer, cocoa. Now we're gonna take our last layer of cream, spread it over your cookies. We're gonna finish it with one final swoop of cacao. Our last 2 cookies here. And now we're gonna put that in the fridge for 3 to 6 hours. Beautiful tiramisu, guys. Look at that. Delicate, creamy, top notch. Enjoy.